Good morning and welcome to another episode of Classic Boat Rescue. Today I'm coming from our headquarters in our secret location, high above Greenwood Lake. That's Greenwood Lake right down there. Yeah, this is my backyard. Look at this guy. This is my neighbor's Johnson Seahorse, somewhere around 1947. And we're going to be doing a video on that later on today. But now, we are going to take a little drive to a marina. Let me grab my coffee right here. We take a drive down to a little marina down by the lake, Willow Point Marina. Because somebody told me last night that there's some kind of event going on down there with some classic speedboats, and we're going to go find out what that's all about. Look at the temperature. Those guys are crazy. It's freezing on the lake. Well, anyway, let's go find out what this deal is all about. Follow me. We're going to jump in my car. Don't mind the mess. Haven't blown the leaves off the walkway yet, but I normally don't blow the leaves off the walkway until spring. So, well, that's that deal. We're going to go get into the mobile toolbox, the mobile unit, and we're just going to drive down the mountain and get down to Willow Point, see if anything good is going on over there. Mobile toolbox. The BMW. Alright, put the coffee down. Get in the car. Alright. Alrighty then. Start the car. Go for a ride. And keys are there. There's Buddha. Hi, Buddha. And start this adventure. Oh, she's cold this morning. Let's put music on. And we're gonna rock and roll. Let's take a ride. Yeah, that's Greenwood Lake down there. We are way up in the Beaufort Mountains. Actually, it's the Bellevale Mountains. In Jersey, they're the Beaufort Mountains, and somehow when you get to the borderline, which we're close to, the borderline between New York and New Jersey, it becomes the Bellevale Mountains. So I'm way up on top. My backyard, 15-minute hike from my back door to say the Appalachian Trail is there. What I'm trying to say is the Appalachian Trail is a 15-minute hike from my back door. Look at the mountains, are gorgeous this morning. Oh, here comes a car. Roads are tight here, so you have to pull to one side. What do we have? It's like a traffic jam up here this morning. Look at all these people. There's a lake. Alrighty. Beautiful. Alright, we're in Indian Park Development on the New York side of the lake. That's where our secret headquarters and clubhouse are. That's where our cabin is. Makes it sound fancy if I say it's a secret clubhouse. Anyway. Sounds mysterious. Down the hill. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. Willow Point ain't too far away. And we're gonna make a left here. There's a lake. Look at the sun shining, just beating the crap out of the water. Love it. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Alright. Let's get going. We'll drive along with Mike in the mobile toolbox. Alright. We're about a mile away from Willow Point. This is a nice morning for a drive. Nice cup of coffee, got a cigarette. I wonder what kind of boats are down there. I'm hearing that there's speedboats, classic speedboats, hyper speedboats, crazy ass, stupid, nuts, cool speedboats. Did I mention speedboats? Alright, we're almost there. Ooh, nice Porsche. I'll take one of those, please. Yeah, a leaf on the windshield. That's gonna be a pain in the ass. Let's get where we're at. Come on, go, go, go. There you go. Bye. Willow Point. Just up the way here. Nice restaurant bar up there, right by Willow Point too, called the Breezy. It's been around forever. It's another one of those local places that has quite a following. Has a lot of big fans. A lot of people up. Oh yeah, looks like we got stuff going on over here. Look over there. I don't know if you can see through the trees. I got some stuff going on. Let's go find out what's going on. We're almost at the Breezy. We're almost at Willow Point. Oh boy, yeah, I saw a flash of orange paint. This might be cool. Let's go find out what's going on over there. There it is. And we're at Willow Point Marina. Let's go down there and find out what's going on, shall we? Okay, I'll be right back. All right, we're at Willow Point Marina. Look at that guy right there. Oh, that looks like fun. Coming in. Hey, man.
How we doing?
How you doing? Is that your boat over there?
My boat's up there. This is Jimmy Nolan's boat, but it's a day for the diehards today. We're ready to run them.
It's freezing out, huh?
It could be warmer, but we're dressed for it. We're in snowmobile gear, so.
You boat guys, I swear to God, there's no stopping you sometimes, huh?
No, we're pretty diehard. So the lake's not frozen, is it?
No, it ain't. Not from my sea.
We'll still be out here.
What are we looking at over there? What's this thing?
A laser.
A laser?
Yep, a laser.
Wow, it's beautiful. What are we running here? It looks like a monster motor. Yikes. That thing's gonna fly. Oh, looks like he's about ready to unhook it. All right, well, you know, we're gonna see this thing on the water later. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Very nice meeting you too.
And look for us on Classic Boat Rescue on our YouTube channel.
I definitely will.
All right, thanks. We'll talk to you later. Okay, bye-bye. Look at this laser. It's insane. 200 horsepower Johnson on that thing, huh? What a beauty. I bet you that sucker flies. What a nice day on the lake. Too bad it's so cold. It's just gorgeous out here. Oh, good Lord. Look at that thing. Warming up. So cold. Obviously, it's a two-stroke. And there it goes. Dang. I can't get enough of that thing. Oh boy. I probably wouldn't want to be on it though. It would scare the crap out of me. These things go like 70 miles an hour on the water. I've been on a boat going 50 miles an hour. That scared the crap out of me. Alright, let's see what else we can find over here. Oh my God. Look at this thing. This is an amazing boat. It's a hydro stream, you say? A Viper? Is that what it is?
Yep.
Oh, good Lord. 200 horsepower motor?
No.
Joe, is this 200 horsepower?
Yeah, it's a 200 horsepower V6.
This is Joe. This is his boat.
How you doing?
How you doing? Welcome to Classic Boat Rescue.
Thank you.
So wow, you've come out on this icy cold day to run this thing, huh?
Yeah, well, you got to get your money's worth out of it. You know what I mean?
I hear you. What is it, an 81?
It's an 81.
Hydro Stream Viper.
It's been fully restored.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Tore up.
Wow.
Everything on it is new.
Wow. What are we running there? Mercury saltwater 200 horse?
Yeah, it's a 2.5 liter, 200 horsepower.
Good Lord.
Carbureted.
Jeez, how fast you going this thing? What's the top speed you've gotten it to?
Fastest I've driven it is mid 80s.
Oh my God.
But it needs more props. Needs a couple things really set up good. I've only been playing with it for a few months now.
Wow. So how long have you owned it?
Probably about 2 months.
That's it, huh? Oh,
Yeah.
It looks great. Looks like you've done a lot to it already.
It was a real nice boat to start with.
To start with, huh?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if I'd want to go 80 miles an hour on a boat. I think that's like change your underwear when you get back home kind of speed for me.
That's 120.
Yeah.
How's that?
120.
120? I've been on a boat doing 50 miles an hour. That's as fast as I've gone. And let me tell you something. That was too much for me. Wow, this thing is crazy. Well, you ain't gonna get me out on one of these. I'm not even gonna ask. Thanks, Joe.
No problem. Have a good day.
And don't forget to watch Classic Boat Rescue.
I will, definitely.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, let's go over here. Oh my God. This thing's cool. Oh, Jesus. It's a 300 horsepower. 300 horsepower in a sucker. Wow. This is Ben's boat. It's a Velocity. I think it's a 21 footer. And it is a 1985, I believe he said. This thing is crazy, mad ass cool. Look at this thing. Holy crap. It's as clean as a whistle, smooth as a baby's butt. Wow, this thing just cut through the water like butter through, like a knife through hot butter. Look at that dashboard. Oh my God. And on top of all this thing must be a chick getter. Holy crap. Yeah. I could see a whole bunch of bikini girls sitting in the back of this thing. Wow. I gotta pull back. Oh my God. I'm telling you, you gotta be brave to pilot one of these things. You're going 85 miles an hour on the water. And today is especially cold. Could you imagine going 85 miles an hour? No windshield and this kind of... These guys do it. Oh boy. Alright, let's see what else is coming around. Oh boy, look at this. And another amazing piece of machinery. Hey, what's up, man?
What's up?
Excuse me.
How you doing?
How you doing? Who owns this bad boy?
John.
Hey, this is amazing. Here comes that orange one. Wow. I mean, there's more than one kind of classic boat. I mean, there's the old wooden boats, and then there's the fancy tail fin fiberglass boats, and There's runabouts like my little Mohawk. There's more than one kind of classic boat in the world. And look at that thing go. That thing's just cruising in. We got something going on over here. Look what's going on over there. Here we go. I think this is that guy Ben's boat from before. 300 horsepower. I think this thing's gonna rock and roll. Here he goes. He's on his way. Oh, baby. That thing sounds freaking mean. Oh, all right. He's just coming in to park. Oh, you gotta love these things. That's crazy cool. Look at these babies. Oh my God. What a sweetheart. How you guys doing?
What's going on, buddy? How's it going?
I'm Mike from Classic Boat Rescue. I'm doing a little video on your event today.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
It's not warmer.
Well, you know, you got to do what you got to do, right?
Yeah.
But somebody turned me on to this event happening today, and I had to come out and check you guys out.
Yeah, it's
Awesome.
at least we got some people out.
Yeah.
Real diehard. I think we got a decent amount for fucking 20 degree weather.
Yeah.
Well,
It's cold. It's cold, dude.
Ain't that cold?
Cold enough. Yeah, it's not cold for us that we got a cabin.
Yeah, exactly. Go cat.
I love these guys. Boat guys are always a pisser. They're always a lot of fun. Where are the beers, man? There, he's got one. He's got a beer going.
Naturally chill.
Oh, like the rest of us, right? These guys look like two of the same boats right here, pretty much, right?
These are the same Vipers.
They look almost like they got a little Corvette action, like a Corvette car action, don't they? Got those like almost like front fenders, like a '63 Corvette, maybe. And that's a Viper too, isn't it? Right over there. See, I don't really know these boats.
King YT.
All badass, no doubt.
Except for that motor over there. I think it's a piece of junk.
He's got a Yamaha. What are you, bunch of? You guys are a bunch of Merc guys, aren't you?
No, we just remember Pearl Harbor. I choose to not remember.
I don't know. That thing sounds pretty badass to me.
That's bad. That's bad.
Oh my God. Hey, I saw you guys just pulling in. Hi, I'm Mike from Classic Boat Rescue.
How you doing, man?
Hi. What's it like out there?
Cold?
It's cold.
Cold.
Cold, a little frigid.
What kind of miles per hour are you pulling out there today?
About 66.
Yeah, jeez. No windshield on that thing, huh? Not much of anything, huh?
Bare bones.
Yeah, bare bones, but that's the way to go, right?
Yeah.
That's why I do my motorcycles. Pull any crap off it that don't need to be there.
That's it.
Lightweight, a lot of speed. What do you got? What are you running there? If you don't mind me asking.
It's a 90 Yamaha built up to like a 110.
Uh-huh. Oh man.
It's a 14 Allison copy.
Yeah. And what kind of hull are you running? What is this? What is this guy?
It's an Allison.
Allison copy, you say?
Yeah.
So it's basically
The
built.
hull's an Allison. The top deck is a Royalcraft.
Got it. All right. And center steering.
Center steer.
Well, I guess this way you balance out the weight, right? And where do they sit you? Where do you get to sit? Right in the back.
The battery.
All right, sort of like a fighter jet.
Yeah. Like co-pilot.
Yeah. Yeah. Damn cold out here. You guys are brave. I wouldn't be out there doing. Fastest I've ever been on a boat is 50 miles an hour, and that was too much for me. And that was on a warm day.
Yeah, we got a couple 105 plus out here, so.
Damn. Yeah,
First two screens are 105, 107.
you guys rock. I don't know how you do it, but I tell you.
It's the first time, so.
More power to you, man.
Yeah, thank you, man.
All right.
Take care.
All right. I'll see you later.
Yeah, man.
Bye-bye. These guys are great. And they're off. I guess they're taking turns chopping up the water. Here they come. A little closer now. Yeah, maybe we'll pop a wheelie or do a burnout here right in front of us. Oh, here comes a guy. Look at it. Look, 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 look. Oh. Closer to us now. Look at that rooster tail. Oh, Jesus. So you gotta be a special kind of guy to run these things. Nerves of steel. The need for speed. God. Well, can you see them out there? They're all lining up for the big takeoff, I guess. Somebody's throwing a nice rooster tail. I got a feeling this is going to be very impressive. I got it zoomed in there. These guys are amazing. They're doing 80 plus miles an hour, most of these guys. It's tiny little hulls, these tiny little boats with these amazingly huge motors, 300 horsepower, 250 horsepower, horsepower plus. It's amazing to me. That guy go. Be a lot of fun. I hope they buzz by the Marina a little closer. They might not be able to hold no wake zone thing. Alright, I'll come back to you if I see any more action. Where are we here? We're at Willow Point, Marina, over on the New York side of Greenwood Lake. Greenwood Lake straddles New York and New Jersey, somewhere down the middle. It's a long lake. Indians used to call it Long Pond. And there are the Belleville Mountains. I live up in those mountains. What do we got over here? There's Willow Point. There's the mechanic shed, maybe their main offices. And then down below there we've got the Fayos Marina. And somewhere between there and there is a nice restaurant called The Helm. And you local folks and maybe some of you out-of-towners who like to come up here know this area is the Sandbar. It's a shallow area that it's popular in the summertime. A lot of folks like to tie up together. Generally you'll see a long strand of boats tied up, music playing, everybody partying and having a good time right there on the Sandbar. And then a little further up, what do you got there? There's the park. There's the park. A little beach there. And sometimes they have some pretty cool events over there. They have a film festival over there every year. And they'll play the movies on a screen right there on the beach. And we've had some people of note attend. Joyce DeWitt was up here promoting a movie. And we had Gilbert Gottfried up here last year promoting a movie. And then just beyond that we have the channel that leads over to the northern arm. And then let's see what we got over here. Right there is Chapel Island. Now it's a private concern, but at one time it was actually a chapel built on that island. And I've seen old antique postcards of pictures of the chapel and old pictures of the chapel. It was an island that actually had a small church on it. And there's our hooligans, the daring men of the blue water and their giant motored monster boats. Sunshine. Yeah, so where do a bunch of thirsty speedboat guys go on a cold day after they just finished tearing up the lake? Oh, we're at the Emerald. This is the Emerald Point. It's another well-known area, and well-known restaurant, bar in the area. A lot of bikers frequent this place, and well, why wouldn't other folks with a need for speed show up here? These speed guys on these speedboat things. Here we are. There they are. They're all tied up, throwing some rooster tails. How you guys doing? I'm Mike from Classic Boat Rescue. This is amazing. I caught them. I was wondering where they're going. They were coming into the channel. And I'm like, yeah, I bet you're going to the, bet you they're going to the Emerald. There it is. Hey, excuse me, guys. Excuse me.
I didn't move. There wasn't any wave coming. I don't know why you were backing off. I didn't move the gas pedal at all. It just came back.
Hey, John. You John Reed?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Mike from Classic Boat Rescue.
How you doing, Mike? Nice to meet you.
I'm here because you posted that link on my Facebook page.
Oh, cool.
So I wanted to come and see what this is all about. Hey, tell me about your boat. What do you got here?
It's a 78 Superboat, 24 foot, with a 99 250 Merc on it.
Yeah, and how do you like it? I saw you out there.
It's nice. Not the fastest boat out there when the water gets rough.
Yeah, you were saying you were gonna on the link. You were saying you're gonna put another motor on here, right?
Actually, it had them on there at one point, but everything's still there. So.
Pretty nice. I love the color, man.
Thank you.
Is that the way it came from the factory?
No, the guy I bought it from, we did it.
It's beautiful.
I'm not sure what color it was originally, but
I'm digging the orange, man.
yeah, it looks sharp. Thank you.
All right, John, you're probably dying for a drink, so I'll catch you later,
I'm
man.
gonna tie up a little better.
See you later. I gotta go see my buddy Glenn over here. I lost footage of his boat before.
It's not bad.
I got my fucking full face baklava, stick ready for it, but.
Ben, can I borrow your cleat? Your cleat?
What's a couple cleats between friends, huh?
Oh no, and then
Tying my
I
boat
put a
up?
jack plate on it.
I don't have a tie?
Yeah, I tried a 5-inch and I had it was too much.
Reach, go for the reach, come on.
You could probably go. Here, let me see that. Coming back on the leg.
Glenn's running a Mariner.
Fucking ice on my boat.
You gotta get something to get the ice off, like on old World War II airplanes.
Yeah.
De-icers.
What did Ben say? Don't tie nothing to his boat, right? In other words, he nicely said don't tie anything to my boat.
Yeah, Glenn, I lost your footage before, so I had to come back and take some shots of this here laser of yours.
Out in the laser.
I will. We'll scare him.
No, I'm already scared.
Alright, I don't think we're going through the dock.
Once just tie it to the other side where there's cleats.
All right.
You're going for it.
Thanks for before, Joe. Appreciate it. See you later, Glenn.
She's coming here?
It's Ben's boat.
Probably should have just got in Ben's boat and then Ben could have handed you the line.
She's coming here.
That thing is just crazy ass bitchin' cool. We saw this guy before. He's out there with his girl.
Right there.
Let's go.
I had to pee so bad. I was bouncing around.
Give me old yanker.
Is it beer o'clock yet?
It is 0 o'clock.
Sweet. All right, so I'm gonna stop bugging these guys. So, coming from the docks in front of the Emerald Point, this is Mike from Classic Boat Rescue saying have a great day on the water and a great day on the land. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and maybe like if you do like it. I don't know.